Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus on the basis of multimedia consumption, in that case you will get an idea about the display quality of iPad 10th generation and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. Both the display produce excellent video quality as you can see here. Actually, Samsung's display is little bit contrasty. On the other hand, iPad 10th generation's display is brighter. On YouTube, actually iPad 10th generation can play 4K 60 FPS video as it has A14 Bionic chipset. It can easily handle these videos. Though it is not an AMOLED display, yet you will get enough deeper blacks. So you will have a great multimedia consumption if you enjoy this display indoor. As you can see here, it is little bit brighter. There is no added color or saturation in this video. But on the other side, if you talk about Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, actually it is little bit punchier. So if you like punchier colors, in that case you will like the display of Tab S9 AP Plus. If you try to play 4K 60 FPS videos, in that case you will feel stutter because it cannot handle 4K 60 FPS videos. So you have to switch your tablet to 1080p 60 FPS, and if you play in 1080p 60 FPS, in that case you will have a good multimedia experience on this tablet. However, I can say that 1080p 60 fps videos also look great on Tab S9 AP Plus. You will feel this difference only if you play both the tablets side by side, but if you buy only one tablet, in that case you cannot feel the difference and you will like the display of that tablet, whether it is iPad 10th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. As you can see here, both the displays have in 100% brightness mode, so there is no discrepancy in terms of comparison. Personally, I like the display of iPad 10th generation because it is more vibrant and brighter. However, the display of Tab S9 AP Plus is not bad at all. After that, I tried some videos on Amazon Prime and I can see that both the displays are great, but if you want to know about the contrast or the brightness, actually iPad 10th generation is producing more brightness. On the other hand, the contrast level on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus is on the higher side. So if you like the contrasty color, you will like Tab S9 AP Plus, but if you like the brighter or accurate color, in that case iPad 10th generation will be your pick. Actually, it is very difficult to say the best display out of these two tablets, but it is a personal preference. Some will like the display of Tab S9 AP Plus and some will like the display of iPad 10th generation. In this video, I am talking only about the display because a lot of users actually want to know about the display quality because they want to consume multimedia contents on their tablet and they are not actually bothering about processor or about note-taking experience. They just want to enjoy multimedia contents on their tablet. So in this regard, if you want stereo speakers, the speakers on Tab S9 AP Plus is much better than iPad 10th generation. However, the speakers on iPad 10th generation are not bad, but the loudness is on the lower side on iPad 10th generation. Let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy in BBD sale and why you are picking one of these tablets. What's your priorities? Let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you very much.